what you see here is not a Victorian. This is a 1980 Supreme, or around 1980, Supreme Mark IV. And this fan is in the antique brass finish. And the blades, and the blade iron is not original. This fan did not come with blades, or it came with blades. It didn't come with irons originally. You can see the person I received this from should be Ceiling Fan Man 96 on YouTube, or Matthew Calderon on Facebook. This fan did not. He found a habitat. Someone must have mangled with the parts because it did not come with blade irons or mounting. So excuse the very odd mounting system. It works. It's not the most ideal. It's variable speed. And yeah, there's like a big old motor, probably with a 188 by 25 in there. It's made by CEC. Crank it, turn on low. And he had previously adjusted the trim on this fan before I received it. So this is how he adjusted the trim. It definitely from afar looks like a Vic. It definitely looks like a Victorian from afar. It definitely also looks like a Vic on camera. These blades came off my 84 Zephyr. Just need some to look time. So it looks pretty nice. A little bit of a 60 cycle hum. It's par for the course though. For these fans. Or for the variable speed, there's a cardboard box, solid state control on there. And makes the fan rather loud. So now I'm going to crank it up about whoops, my fingers can get caught in the blades very easily. The variable speed knob is very close to the blades. This fan is made, this is a CEC product. There's a CEC model number on the top of the fan, and it also has a CEC spinner motor. It's pretty big. Doesn't fill the housing, but it goes from top to bottom, and also it takes up a decent chunk of the housing. It's about a functional low. Crank it up a little bit. Maybe a little more. The tassel I added myself, so are the blades also. One of the blades is slightly warped, so it has a wobble. Try converting this fan to ball and socket, but the downrod it uses is slightly smaller than normal Casablanca threaded downrod from like the early 80s. So I can't convert it to ball socket, for now at least. I don't really have any other, I don't have those mounting brackets that early 80s Casablanca used with the bell canopies. So I'm gonna crank it up a little more. It's about a medium high. I can definitely hear it humming. It's a nice fan. I like this fan a lot. Now I'm gonna crank it up to full blast. There's my full blast right there. It's going about 210 RPM. The fan's rated at 200 on the top of the fan, but that's certainly not true. It goes a little bit faster. Airflow noise right there. I'll pull the box out in a minute and I can show it. just pull the box out. And now I'm gonna turn it off. Because if I had a light, it'd go light and then fan and light. Alright, there it is off. Show the top of the motor real quick. There's my name's on there. Let me peel that tape off this second. There's the tag. I can't really get a good angle of it. And down here, we have the box. This is not the fan. 5-year limited warranty, light adaptable, all metal construction with direct drive motor, 3 sealed ball bearings for maintenance-free use, 3-speed control. Well, that's obviously not true. Reversible airflow control, 4-way switch to operate fan and light independently. Supreme fan. Says that's reversible. Which it is. I'm not going to reverse it. I believe these are... I don't know. I want to say these are pics of Victorian. And then Mark IV. You all listed 28G4. There's all the blades you could get for them. This one would have came with that right there. The dark brown with rattan lace. And over here we have model, I don't know, it's something SF-52AB/DBG-S. Finish antique brass, 52, and then blade, 52-inch dark brown wooden blades with golden stencil imprinted. 115 volts, 60 cycles, net weight 33 pounds, and then grams weight, I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure. 36 pounds. Shipped to JC Oriental Manufacturing Company, 8633 Grovemont Circle, Gallersburg, Maryland, 20877. When you guys just search up that address. Right there it says Patrick. I'm not going to show that because I don't know if it's a real person. But yeah, there you have it. Something from the very early 80s. Supreme. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.